Humanity is at the dawn of a new world. A world which is greener, sustainable and more humane. At Hyundai, we are continuously working to make this dawn even brighter. We are playing our part in changing the horizon of the automotive world and beyond. Our vision, progress for humanity, is at the core of everything we do. It is this vision, driven by sustainable ideas, that will help us create a better tomorrow. And it all begins at our manufacturing plant. And our dealerships continue to lead the charge.
Namaste and a very warm welcome to Gallops Hyundai. We have been serving our customers in Ahmedabad since 2016. Here at Gallops Hyundai, we consistently try to live by Hyundai's brand vision of progress for humanity. We believe that sustainability plays an important role in providing a better tomorrow for future generations. And I believe that our children deserve to enjoy everything we have in a lifetime. From the very beginning, we have made sure our dealerships are powered with solar panels so that we majorly rely on renewable resources for our needs. With that, our workshop utilizes LED lighting, which we have paired with solar panels. We have even adopted dry wash here at our dealerships. And we urge customers to opt for it as it saves 120 liters of water per car wash. Being sustainable is the first step in providing a future that is cleaner, greener, and the one that we are proud of. And we want to do our bit so that not just the nation but the whole humanity progresses together. With the help of sustainable solutions and amazing innovations.
At Hyundai, we are leading the way for progress for humanity, and you're welcome to join us.